DFA150AA160 by uscomponent.com. The DFA150AA160 is a robust rectifier diode module manufactured by Sanrex. With a voltage rating of 1600 V and a current capacity of 150 A, it is ideal for high-power rectification in industrial applications such as welding equipment, power supplies, and motor drives. This module offers reliable performance with low forward voltage drop and efficient heat dissipation, enhancing system efficiency and longevity. Its durable construction ensures dependable operation in demanding environments. The DFA150AA160's easy installation and integration capabilities, coupled with Sanrex's reputation for quality and innovation, make it a preferred choice for optimizing power conversion in various high-current applications. Ready to buy DFA150AA160? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.